Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and I'm back today with another fun stitch tutorial to share with you all. Hopefully something that you can use for your next project. Today's pattern has a very masculine feel to it. At least in my opinion, it does. It feels very masculine to me, not at all feminine, but it's very visually interesting, lightweight, and lacy without being too girly. I think this stitch pattern would make a really nice blanket or a scarf for someone who doesn't like overly frilly crochet. This is only a 2-row repeat, so it's very easy. The only thing that's odd about it is the starting chains that you need. You need a multiple of 16, and that seems really high, but you need 16 plus 4 for your starting chain. But it's worth it because it looks awesome. So in today's tutorial, we are using I Love This yarn in linen, and it is size 4 medium weight yarn. I get this at Hobby Lobby, and an H8 5mm crochet hook. And you can use any yarn, any size yarn, just use whatever hook is recommended on the packaging. If you'd like to see the written instructions, they'll be in the description box below, as well as the timestamps for each row. There's only 2. And if you need instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos if I go too fast or too slow for you, those instructions will be in the description box as well. And I think that's everything I needed to say to get started. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so like I said, to begin you need a starting chain of 16 plus 4. So we're going to go with 32 plus 4 for 36. All right, for row 1, we're going to work into the 5th chain from the hook, and you're going to work a double crochet. In the next 2 chains, you're going to work double crochets, so 1 double crochet per chain. Chain 2, work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Skip 2 chains, double crochet in the next chain. And see how it looks like it's starting to tilt towards this center double crochet. Skip 2 chains, double crochet in the next 2 chains. And this side tilts towards the center and this side tilts towards the center. Chain 2, and you'll double crochet in each of the next 7 chains. So 7 double crochets. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So then we'll repeat that pattern across, starting with the chain 2. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2 chains. Skip 2 chains, double crochet in the next chain. Skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet in the next 2 chains. Chain 2, And normally if this were longer, you would do the 7 in the center, but since we're at the end of the row, you're going to work a double crochet in each of these last 4 chains. That is row 1. For row 2, you're going to chain 3, counts as a double crochet, turn your work, skip this first stitch, double crochet in this next stitch, chain 1, skip this stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochets in this chain 2 space. We're going to be repeating the pattern of these leaning double crochets. Skip these 2 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch, skip these 2 stitches and double crochet 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Chain 2. There, we've repeated that pattern. One row will be solid double crochets, the other row will have a chain 1 space in between. So for the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip this stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip this stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, one row of solid, one row with chain 1 spaces. And then we begin the pattern over again. Chain 2, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, skip 2 chains or skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, chain 2, and you would continue this across for all the chain or for all the double crochet, 7 double crochets. It would look like this, but when you get to the end of the row, you're going to double crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in the top of the chain 3. That is row 2. And row 3 is going to be this row repeated, but we're not working into chains, so that makes it slightly different. So we'll have to go through that. Chain 3, turn your work. Now we're back to the solid double crochets across, so we need 1 in every stitch. We're going to skip this one since the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the chain 1 space, and double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, now we're going to repeat this part. 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, chain 2, and now we're going to fill this in with solid double crochets. So double crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the chain 1 space, and double crochet in the next stitch. And you should have a total of 7, always 7 in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's repeat the pattern. Chain 2, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, chain 2, and for the last part, the end of your row, you're going to double crochet in each of these for 4. So double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in the top of the chain 3. And that is row 3. And you're going to repeat and alternate rows 2 and 3 for the entire pattern. One will be open with chain 1 spaces, the next one will be solid. You'll always have 4 double crochets on the end, 7 in the centers. And when you're finished, you get this really nice masculine pattern. Might have to make a scarf for my husband. I really like this. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch until the end. If you have any ideas on what you could use this pattern for, please leave those in the comments below. That helps other people who want to use the pattern. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.